In modern times, cancer is the second leading cause of death after heart disease. Today, it is thought that around 40 to 50% of people have cancer at the time of their deaths. However, in the old days when humans were not exposed to various chemicals and tobacco and had shorter lifespans, cancer prevalence was thought to be much lower. Prior research into historic cancer rates using archaeological records has been limited to examining only the exterior of the bones for signs of lesions. These studies hinted that cancer was rare in the medieval era, affecting less than 1% of the population. However, recent research from the University of Cambridge used X-rays and CT scans to scan the interior of the bones from the Middle Ages. After analyzing 143 skeletons from the 6th to 16th century, it was suggested that 9 to 14% of adults in medieval Britain had metastasized cancer at the time of their deaths. While this is still much lower than today's number, we now know that cancer in the medieval era was 10 times more prevalent than we previously thought.